What's going on, team, and welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to talk to you about the three different market sessions. The three sessions I am referring to are the Asia session, London session, and the New York session. Everyone knows that the New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Of course, that is for us North Americans, but what about the other markets out there? There is still the London Stock Exchange as well as all the Asian stock exchanges as well. A lot of people that only trade the New York session don't keep the other markets in mind. But for me as a trader, I'm able to use these market sessions to determine key liquidity levels for me to target during the New York session. So in this video, I want to explain to you why you should always be paying attention to the foreign markets. So let's take a look at the Asia session as well as the London session. All Asia stock exchanges open around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So when it's 8 p.m. our time, the stock market is actually opening up in the Asia countries. The Asia market also closes around 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now for the London session, it opens at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the London session closes around 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So knowing this information, you can see when the futures market is trading overnight, we are actually trading within an Asia session as well as a London session. Then when we get close to New York market open, that is when we're trading in the New York session. The reason why the Asia and the London session are so important to me is, again, like I mentioned before, it helps me generate liquidity levels for the New York session. So whenever we approach a session high or a session low, this is a key level in the market where I'm expecting price to either reverse or continue pushing higher or lower. The reason why I'm expecting a market reaction at these highs and lows is because there's so much liquidity resting there. And if you remember my previous video talking about smart money and liquidity, you now know that these market sessions present liquidity opportunities for the smart money traders. So using the replay button, I'm going to show you exactly why the market sold off on Thursday. As you can see, we have both of our sessions here. When you look further into our sessions, you can also see that the market created higher highs and higher lows. And if you remember my example of liquidity in an uptrend, you know that there is a lot of liquidity pent up at these higher lows. So seeing that we never came down and tested these levels is a clear indication that eventually the market will come down and hit these levels. And this is why the market sold off heavy in the New York session. But with that being said, if you have any further questions on this video, always reach out through the Discord community or message me privately.